New technology is bringing light to what homebuyers are actually looking at during house tours, and property experts say their focus may need to shift to more important features. Ted Lindner has more.
When buying a home, where you look matters, and new technology shows some house hunters may be looking in the wrong place.
They're spending lots of time on more superficial things, perhaps the art on the walls. We've even seen buyers inspect the food in the fridge. But what they really need to be doing is looking at things like the brickwork, looking for signs of condensation or damp, the chimney, the boiler, the electrics.
Software company Toby is experimenting with eye tracking technology that gathers data on where potential homebuyers are looking during a tour and for how long.
Despite being one of life's largest financial decisions, a fifth of buyers spend 20 minutes or less viewing a home, and a further chunk of them only view a property once before putting their offer in.
One consumer who tested out the special glasses said it made her more aware while touring houses.
Because you know you've got them on, it does make you look up and look at certain things.
Early research from the device is being used by property software company Zoopla to help real estate agents close on more houses.
This viewing tech helps us sort of really confirm what people are looking at and focusing in on. How do we present property? How do we reduce fall-through rates? How do we increase the chances of a property selling by actually being as transparent and upfront as possible in all those key bits of information? So let someone fall in love with the property.
More research with the technology could also help home buyers make informed decisions on a major life purchase.
The average consumer moves every 10 or 20 years. So this isn't like buying a car every 3 years, and technology like this sort of helps us and others work out, how to help consumers fill in those gaps and have a better experience.
Ted Lindner, Fox News.